खुदा सलामत रखे। मेहरबानी।
एक्चुअली ये काम है ही
तो फकीर लोग हैं। खुदा सलामत रखे।
कैसे आप
Right, so we're doing a huge concert with Abida Ji. That's happening tomorrow, and she's here for that, and now she's going to be in our studio for the PPT. And it's such an amazing timing that you guys are both here. Thank you so much, Abida. Thank you so
Shukriya. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Hi.